Oh, sorry. I was lost in some memories. So it's Children's Day again, and this time Children's Day is with a difference. But do you remember this? And this? So these memories bring us mixed emotions. There is joy, there is happiness, as well as we feel emotional that we are missing our school, we are missing our students. But yes, it's now time to be happy because it's your day, it is Children's Day. So here we present to you a short video for Children's Day performed by many of our teachers. To begin with, we will have your favorite, a comedy skit which you always love during school. So here presenting to you a comedy skit by two of our teachers. Watch it out.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning, children. What is the date today? 14th of November. Yes. Okay, now let's take the attendance. Roll number 1.
Present teacher.
Roll number 2.
Present teacher.
Roll number 3.
Present teacher.
Roll number 4.
Present teacher.
Roll number 5. Who's roll number 5?
Teacher present. May I come in, teacher?
Yes, Janice, why are you so late? We have already finished with the assembly.
Teacher, I follow instructions very well. And there is a new signboard outside our school. So I followed exactly what the signboard was telling.
What was the signboard again? Which signboard are you talking about?
The one that's just put up outside our school. And it says, school ahead, go slow. So I came very slowly.
Janice, that's for motor vehicles and other pedestrians, not for school children. You have to be on time.
Okay, teacher, I will remember this. I will come on time from tomorrow.
You come in, you're already late.
Okay.
Did you do your homework? Have you completed the maths homework I gave you yesterday?
Yes. No tension, teacher.
Show me. Check. It looks all completed and it's done very neatly also. Yes, everything here is right. Janice, did somebody help you to do the homework?
No, teacher, nobody helped me. My father did it all alone by himself. He's very smart,
What, Janice? You are supposed to do the homework and not your father. I'll have to speak to him. Okay, now let me check what else you have studied. I had asked you to study the numbers, revise the numbers that I taught. Have you done it?
Yes, teacher, you had taught 2 days ago, but I remember very well. I did
Yes, come on, let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Janice, what happened to 5? You forgot 5.
I died, no, teacher.
5 died?
Yes.
What are you speaking?
Teacher, he died yesterday only. I keep myself very up to date. He died yesterday. You don't know?
What are you saying?
See, teacher, yesterday I saw the news at night and it said truck accident में 5 की मौत.
Oh God, Janice, you cannot take things literally. Why this girl? What will I do with her? Let me check further. I had asked you to revise spellings 2 days ago. Have you revised your spellings?
Teacher, very easy. I sat till 3 o'clock to do the spellings.
Okay, let's see class what she has studied. How do you spell crocodile?
Okay. I spell crocodile. K R O D I A L. Crocodile.
What was that? It's the wrong spelling. What have you learned?
Teacher, but you told me how I spell crocodile, so I told you how I spell crocodile.
Oh God, I'll have to sit with this girl separately and teach her. Okay, now let me do a final check before I take a decision. Let me check how is your GK. Will you read your general knowledge
First
book?
class teacher number 1 GK. Very nice.
Okay, I'll have to ask you a question that's fit for you. Let me think. Tell me, what is the longest word in English?
Long is Array teacher. Okay, I will tell you it is very easy. The longest word is the word smiles. teacher. See how you spell S-M-I-L-E-S. So, between the first word and the last word, you have a mile, M-I-L-E. So, it's a mile
Oh,
long word.
Janice. Oh God, your knowledge base is zero. Your knowledge base is zero, but you put a smile to my face today with your answers.
So, just as I got a smile to teacher's face, we intended to bring a smile on your faces also. And this is a small effort from our side to bring a smile on your face, and I hope we were successful in doing so. So, because today is a very special day, all of you children, from our hearts we wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
I'm sure you must have surely enjoyed it. And now we have messages from some of our teachers. Do listen to them, and as usual, be obedient students.
My dear children, today is a Children's Day dedicated to you, filled with innocence, love, and purity that you all bring to this world. Children, you have a very big dreams, right? In your twinkling eyes and boundless love in your unbiased heart, and the strength to make impossible happen is in your little hands. You have the potential to transform tomorrow. Children, you are the future of our country. In these times of crisis, the hardest part of remote learning is that we aren't together. You are not in the classroom, but you are in our thoughts and in our hearts. Fatima High School misses you. I am proud of your resilience, the way you withstand this difficult situation, and your ability to adapt to extreme circumstances. Every one of you is a different kind of flower, and altogether, you can make this world a beautiful garden. Just believe in yourself and blossom in your own domain. Wishing everyone a happy Children's Day. Take care of yourself and each other.
Hello, my lovely students. Well, it is said that every child is special. And yes, I totally agree with this statement. I miss teaching you, my dear students. And I pray that you all shine with bright color in future. Remember, you are unique. Wishing you a very happy Children's Day. God bless you.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Children, you are the future of our country. So, on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Wish you all Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali.
छोटी छोटी आँखों से तुम सपने नए सजाना, जाने सारी दुनिया कुछ ऐसे भी करके दिखाना, सपनों की जमीन पर मेहनत के मोती पिरोना, नन्हे कदमों से मंजिल की राहें बनाना, आशा के सुमन से जीवन की सरगम बनाना, प्यारी सी आंखों से दुनिया जीतना Happy Children's Day to all
Hello,
of
my dear students. Children, you all are gifts of God with pure heart, innocent, and loved by everyone. Today is a very special day for you all, my dear students, as we are celebrating today Children's Day. But due to this pandemic, we have to celebrate this Children's Day in a different way, my dear children. We are missing the actual celebration what we do in the school. Still, it's okay. Now, just remember my this few line. फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, सूरज के जैसे चमकते रहो, सूरज के जैसे चमकते रहो, सबका सम्मान करो और जीवन में सफल हो. Always keep smiling and very happy Children's Day to you all.
I'm sure these messages have really touched your heart and you will remember what your teachers have told you. I'm sure you must be also missing school as much as we teachers are doing. And we all pray to God that this corona pandemic ends up soon and we all meet again in the school. So happy Children's Day once again to each one of you. Have a nice day and also have a safe Diwali. Happy Diwali to you and your family. Thank you.